Okay, Gina, here I'm in the second problem that you sent, and it looks like we need to construct a 95% confidence interval, but this time we're doing it for the mean. So here's a few tips. I'm just going to go in and open the data first. And let's see, so we've got a lot of cell phone bills here. And when we open the data, let me just run through a few things in the stat menu. When you're working with intervals, confidence intervals for the mean, we're going to use t-stats. Confidence intervals for proportion, we're going to use proportion stats. And then confidence intervals for both standard deviation and variance will fall under variance stats. So this one is for the mean. We're going to use t-stats, and we have one sample with data, so we'll select that. So I'm going to select the column, and then again we'll do confidence interval, and then the default is 0.95, and that's what we want. So I'll go ahead and leave it and say compute, and we get our upper limit and lower limit there. And you'll notice those are the correct answers that are given here. So that should be pretty much the whole procedure, and it should be fairly simple. The only ones that are tricky are the ones for variance and standard deviation, when you have to make that adjustment at the end if you need standard deviation, but otherwise they should be pretty straightforward. So keep asking questions if you continue to have difficulty, but I hope this helps a little.